Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about Mobile Service Manager on Android, how to turn it off, and whether you actually should. Mobile Service Manager, which you might also see listed as DT Ignite depending on your carrier, is mostly there to push preloaded apps onto your phone when you first set it up. Once those apps are installed, the service doesn't really do much. So yes, you can disable it. The only thing to keep in mind is that some phones might run a little slower afterward or show a warning message here and there. Nothing major, but good to know going in. All right, let's get to it. Open up your settings and scroll down until you find Apps or App Manager. The name varies by device. Once you're in, look for Mobile Service Manager or DT Ignite. Tap on it. You should see a button that says Disable. On some devices, you might even get an uninstall option. Go ahead and tap whichever one appears. If a pop-up shows up warning you that basic features might not work as expected, don't worry, that's just a generic message. You can ignore it. Now, if you don't see it in your regular app list, here's a quick workaround. In the App Manager, tap the three dots in the top right corner and turn on Show System Apps. That will reveal all the hidden system-level apps. Scroll through until you find Mobile Service Manager or DT Ignite. Open it up and then hit Disable or Uninstall depending on what your phone gives you. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully stopped Mobile Service Manager from running in the background. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Android tips. See you in the next one.